Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue for individuals seeking to earn passive income through online channels. This comprehensive step-by-step guide aims to equip beginners with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. From product selection to content creation and maximizing earnings, we will explore every aspect of this industry. 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, affiliates, promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through their unique affiliate links. It's a win-win situation, as merchants gain increased exposure and sales, while affiliates get rewarded for their efforts. 2. Choosing the right products. The key to successful affiliate marketing lies in selecting the right products or services to promote. Start by identifying your niche and target audience. Research products that align with your niche and offer value to your audience. Consider factors like product quality, reputation of the merchant, commission rates, and cookie duration. The time a user's click on your affiliate link is tracked for potential sales. 3. Building your online presence. Before diving into affiliate marketing, establish a strong online presence through a blog or website. This will serve as your platform to share valuable content and promote affiliate products. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and create a user-friendly website with an appealing design. 4. Creating engaging content. Compelling content is the heart of affiliate marketing. Produce informative, engaging, and relevant content that resonates with your audience. Utilize various formats such as blog posts, product reviews, videos, infographics, and social media posts to diversify your content strategy. 5. Implementing SEO strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your website. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords that your audience is searching for. Optimize your content, meta tags, and headings to improve your website's visibility on search engines and increase the chances of attracting potential customers. 6. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for expanding your affiliate marketing reach. Engage with your audience through posts, polls, and stories. Cultivate a strong social media presence to foster trust and credibility among your followers. Use social media advertising to target specific audiences and promote affiliate products effectively. 7. Building an email list. Email marketing is an effective way to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products. Offer valuable content as an incentive for users to subscribe to your mailing list. Use email automation tools to deliver personalized content and affiliate offers to different segments of your audience. Our software includes all the tools you need to succeed, and you can use them free, no CC needed, for 14 days. Check out the links in the description below. 8. Complying with legal and ethical standards. Always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience. Comply with the regulations of your country or region, including the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) guidelines in the United States. Honesty and transparency are crucial for building trust with your audience and maintaining your reputation. 9. Tracking and analyzing performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts regularly. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and earnings generated through your affiliate links. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies and areas that require improvement. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a rewarding venture that can provide a sustainable source of income once you master the essentials. By understanding how to choose the right products, create engaging content, and leverage various online platforms, you can maximize your earnings and achieve success in the affiliate marketing world. Stay committed to continuous learning, adapt to industry changes, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. Now, armed with this comprehensive guide, embark on your affiliate marketing journey with confidence and enthusiasm. Hope this was helpful. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the inside.